The baking disaster. Sophie always loved baking, so when her best friend Lucy's birthday came around, she decided to bake a special cake. She searched through her recipe books and finally chose a chocolate cake with a rich, creamy filling. Confident in her skill, she gathered all the ingredients and set to work. At first, everything went smoothly. Sophie measured the flour, sugar, and cocoa powder perfectly, and she mixed the batter until it was smooth and silky. She preheated the oven and poured the batter into the cake pans. Feeling satisfied, she placed the pans into the oven and set the timer. While the cake baked, Sophie began preparing the filling. She melted chocolate and butter in a saucepan, stirring constantly to make sure it did not burn. As the filling thickened, she tasted and smiled. It was delicious, just as she had imagined. However, when the timer rang, things began to go wrong. Sophie opened the oven and noticed that the cake had not risen properly. It looked flat and uneven, not like the picture in her recipe books. She took the cakes out and realized that she had forgotten to add baking powder. Frustrated, she sighed but decided to continue. After the cakes cooled, she spread the filling between the layers and covered the whole cake with a smooth layer of frosting. Despite its flat appearance, it still looked decent. She cleaned the kitchen and prepared to take the cake to Lucy's party. At the party, Sophie watched nervously as Lucy cut into the cake. When everyone took a bite, they paused for a moment. The cake was dense and dry, not at all what Sophie had hoped for. Lucy, always the kind friend, smiled and said it tasted good, but Sophie knew it was not her best work. Afterward, Sophie laughed about the baking disaster with Lucy. Though the cake had not turned out as planned, it became a funny story that they would remember for years. Thank you.